Are you looking for fast results in affiliate marketing? Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of northern New York. And in this video, I'm going to share the little known secret to fast results in affiliate marketing. Maybe you are what I call a frustrated veteran affiliate marketer. You've been in the industry for a while, you've worked hard, but just haven't had the success you were hoping for. Let me assure you, you are not alone. Or maybe you are a brand new beginner to affiliate marketing and just not sure which way to turn. Well, either way, stick with me because I'm going to share something that can make all the difference in how fast you see results, no matter what your previous experience. In fact, you may find affiliate marketing is one of the easiest things you've ever done if you follow what I share and copy it exactly. The first thing you need is a proven blueprint to follow. Clear-cut steps that are proven to lead to success, laid out in simple to follow detail. Not having the right blueprint to follow is the major reason so many affiliate marketers do not have the level of success they hoped for. Over my 30 years in the home business industry, I've seen so many people struggle to find good advice. They waste so much time and emotional energy searching Google, watching YouTube videos, and reading blogs. Many have even wasted a small fortune attending overhyped events, only to get pulled in all different directions. No clear-cut path to follow, and ending up super frustrated. It's no wonder so many people do not have the success they hope for. Well, I have a solution to that, and it's 100% free. My buddy Nick recently wrote a book on exactly this. It's generic. It will work in any good affiliate marketing business. The book is over 180 pages long. It's the most comprehensive affiliate marketing blueprint I've ever seen. Again, with simple to follow action steps, perfect for beginner as well as veteran affiliate marketers. And don't let the length of the book concern you. It's pure value, no fluff. And so you know, Nick is a superstar in our industry. He's made a true fortune, and I'm blown away that he's willing to share everything for free. The book is in ebook form, and you can download a free copy of it using the link below. As soon as you get the ebook, start reading it. I read it twice. It's that powerful. The book is called The 30-Minute Workday Escape Plan, and it details Nick's little-known formula for creating monthly cash flow online in 30 minutes or less per day. Get this, without building a website, without your own products, without having to deal with any customer service headaches or inventory, and even without any technical knowledge or skill. You will learn the 3 simple steps to generating unlimited income on demand the easy way, while letting other people do all of the hard, techy, time-consuming, expensive stuff for you. Man, I wish I had access to this book when I started. If I sounded a little emotional when I was talking about being frustrated, I was there, I get it. But you don't have to be. Click on the link below, download your free copy now, read it, and follow it. Copy it exactly, and you will be on the path to fast results in affiliate marketing. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.